Account locked on Trading App Fix. You open the Trading app, ready to check your portfolio or make a trade, but suddenly you're locked out. It's frustrating, but don't worry. This problem happens to many users and can usually be fixed with just a few simple steps. Most people think a trading lockout means something is wrong with their account, but that's not usually the case. The app automatically locks accounts to protect users after multiple failed login attempts, logins from new devices, or security-related reviews. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the Trading login screen and click Forgot Password. Follow the email instructions to reset your password. Once updated, wait a few minutes and then try logging in again. If you still can't access your account, open the Trading Help Center and submit a support ticket. Provide your registered email address, a brief explanation of the issue, and any verification details requested. Their team may ask for proof of identity or additional verification if needed. If your account was locked due to compliance or kick issues, they'll email you instructions to re-upload your ID and proof of address. Once verified, your account will be restored. To prevent this from happening again, enable two-factor authentication, avoid using phones, and make sure your login details are secure. Most people get worried when their account gets locked, but here's the truth. Trading does this to protect your money, not take it away. Once your identity is verified and your credentials are secure, you'll be back in your account, trading with confidence and peace of mind.